Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to teach you how to write a check. I didn't teach Bailey how to do this when she went to college, and that was a problem. So first thing you do is you fill in this little box. This is where you write how much money you want to pay someone. So I want to pay $2 to someone. So 2 and then a decimal and then a 00. So I think that I want to pay Dinky this money. He needs to get paid for coming to work. And then we've got to make sure we put the date. So the date we can write in a couple of different ways. We'll write it this way this time, March 19th, 2020. All right. Then, and this is one of the most important things, you have to write this number in words over here. So this is $2. And now, we know that there are 100 pennies in a dollar, so we put 100 on the bottom and we put zeros on the top because there's no cents. So then we just draw a line over here. My dad told me that you draw a line here so nobody can write anything else. Makes good sense. And then you have to sign your name. So I'm going to sign my name, my fancy signature. There we go. Now, what if I want to write a check for a number that has cents in it? It's not just zeros. So I'm going to write a check for $15.93. $15.93. And this time I'm going to write our date this way. Now, you guys know this one because we do this in class all the time on the board, right? Just like that. Now, this time I think we're going to pay Miss Angie. And her last name is Millen, just like Bella's. So we're going to give her $15.93. That seems like a nice thing to do. So then I've got to write this number in words. So $15. Remember, it's important to always tell me what I'm working with. If I said 15 quarters, that wouldn't be the same thing. And so then and we know again we have 100 pennies in a dollar. Put 100 on the bottom, and on the top we put 93. And then we draw a line, just like that. Then we got to sign our name again. So for this last one, I think that we need to do a bit. What if you have to do a bigger number? So I'm going to write a check for $1,247.19. Okay, that's a lot of money. So got to write the date again. So we're going to do it this way because I like to do it this way because it's faster than writing the whole thing out. So this time, I think we're going to write this to Mr. Severs. So now I've got to write this whole thing out. So this is 1,000, 200, 47 dollars, and I'm running out of space. Now I need 19 cents. 19,100. Okay, look at that. That's why we have to learn how to write these numbers out, because you've got to write checks. Then I got to sign my name again. Okay, now you have 3 checks in your assignment, and you are supposed to write those 3 checks. Make sure that you write them with numbers that you know how to write out in long form, and then when you turn those in, I will check them. You can write the checks to me or your mom or your sister or your brother or your friends. Doesn't matter. Just make sure that you write them correctly. Thank you very much.